If you need to reset your password for Saxo Bank, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. This guide will walk you through the process clearly and efficiently. Step 1. Visit the Saxo Bank login page. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Enter your account information. Once you click on the password reset option, you will be prompted to enter your account information. This typically includes your registered email address or username associated with your Saxo Bank account. Step 3. Check your email. After submitting your account information, check your email inbox for a password reset link from Saxo Bank. Be sure to also check your spam or junk folder if you do not see it in your main inbox. Step 4. Click the reset link. Open the email and click on the password reset link provided. This link will direct you to a secure page where you can create a new password. Step 5. Create a new password. Follow the instructions on the page to create a new password. Make sure your new password meets the security requirements set by Saxo Bank, then confirm it by entering it again. Once done, submit your new password. After completing these steps, you should be able to log into your Saxo Bank account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Saxo Bank's customer support for further assistance.